In this video, I'll show you how to use Temu coupon. All right. First up is by using on phone. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add up this one on my cart or to my cart and check out. Once you're in here, just go ahead and finish these things up. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom. And as you can see here, you'll be able to find apply coupon code. Just go ahead and tap on it. And in here, you'll be able to enter your promo code, for example. And once done, just hit on apply and you'll be able to see the deductions from here in this very section. Now, to be able to do that on a Windows computer or any computer that has a browser, as you can see here, when we log into temu.com, in here, just hover your mouse onto your profile. Now go to coupons and offers. As you can see here, you'll be able to enter your coupon code right here. Once you have done that, just hit on apply and you're good to go. All right. You can do that also by going to the cart, checking out, and again, from the same steps in here at the very right, type in your promo code or coupon code and hit on apply, and you'll be able to see the deductions right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.